Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So guys, it is bag of the month. Yay! Dooney and Bourke, May 2024. Wow, I can't believe it's been that long. Did I say that right? Mm-hmm. So this month, as I suspected, going further into our YouTube career, we are going to have some repeat bags being shown as the bag of the month. Now, this bag here is the May 2024 bag of the month, and this is my daughter's bag. So she let me borrow it to show you guys. That way I can have the video out for you guys sooner than later. You know what happened last month. We want to avoid that. So she had the bag. As soon as I saw the bag of the month, I went to her room, grabbed it, dumped out all her stuff because this is her bag. My daughter Layla ordered this bag for herself. She chose this bag, and I have to say it is very, very impressive. This bag has stood the test of time because my daughter is not very good to her bags. This bag is not cared for like my bags, like pampered and babied. She really uses this bag like the durability of it is amazing. I literally took this off the floor, dumped it, gave it a quick wipe with the wipey. That's all you have to do, because it is a nylon. And look, this is now going to be 2 years that she has this bag. She didn't order it as the bag of the month. This bag has never been the bag of the month. So I think this is a impressive bag to have as the bag of the month, and it is on an amazing sale right now. You're going to get it for $99. I think that she paid a little bit more when we ordered it for her. So they did really well, Dooney and Bourke, for the May bag of the month. So here it is, guys. It is the nylon flap backpack. I'm looking here on my notes. As of right now, when I am taping, and it's pretty early, it is the, what's today, the second of the month. So this video should be up today. They still have 5 colors. The 5 colors they have is this. This is the black. This is my daughter's favorite combo in her Dooneys. She has many Dooneys. This is the combo she prefers, the black. It also comes in just black. The difference will be the bag will be black like this, and the handles, the straps, everything will be in that beautiful brown color leather. And then there is one in, I think this is called navy. Let me make sure. Navy blue. That's also beautiful. They have it in khaki. That's really cute if you don't like color and you're into the neutrals. And then if I were to order one, if my daughter didn't have one, I was going to order it in the red. So there it is, guys, the bag of the month for me. I'm so happy that my daughter had it. I can jump on here, show you guys sooner than later. So let's examine the bag. Again, this is nylon. It's in here. The first unboxing of this bag I did, now it's going to be 2 years almost. I have it linked on my community page if you want to go see the original unboxing of this bag. It's a really fun video. It has, of course, the Dooney duck right here. That means that this bag is okay for all kinds of weather. I'll bring it close. It has a flap right here. That's what it's called. Inside is red. Look how ravishing gorgeous this looks with the black and the red. I'm so surprised at how clean the inside is. Again, this is my daughter's bag. And then in the inside of this beautiful backpack, it does have a key. In the back here, it has a zipper pocket. God, I didn't even check. I wonder what's in there. Oh wow, she has a couple dollars in there. Look at that, Robert. And the tags. Okay, the original tags. That was cleaner than I thought. We'll put her money back in there. She's gonna take it when she comes home from school. It has a flap pocket, and I don't know if you can see because the video isn't holding up very well, but see the trim inside is also black. I love it. The red and the black, it looks fantastic in person. Of course, on this side there's two slots, one bigger than the other. This is a medium-sized bag, and look how nice and clean. And all I did, guys, my wipes, and I wiped it down. Believe me, it was filthy. It was on the floor. My daughter does not baby her bags, so I'm shocked at how clean it got. But that is a testament to the quality of the Dooney and Bourke bags. Their nylon is almost indestructible. If it was, my daughter would have destroyed it, I'm telling you. She is not someone who babies her bags. It has, of course, the straps for the backpack. It is adjustable. She likes to wear it on the longest. And then it also has a handle, a braided handle. It is stunning, guys, in person, stunning. Now, saying all that, the bag, beautiful, no question. Nothing about it. I can't even say anything bad about it, especially the black as you're looking here. The stitching, gorgeous. Lightweightness. Of course, Dooney's nylon bags are almost compared. There's nothing that compares to it. I don't know if you know, but Dooney has two types of a nylon. I will show you the difference. If it just says nylon, this is the nylon you're getting. It's really nice. It's a little bit more stiffer. It really holds up. Very nicely made. If it says Wayfair nylon, you're going to get this more silkier style of nylon. Of course, both are lovely. I enjoy both kinds. I do have my own nylon Erica that I use. It's very nice. So there you have it, guys. This is the bag of the month for May. Now, I'm going to have to say this again to Peter. I don't know who's doing this, who's on your team, but they do not know what a Mother's Day month bag should be. So I'm going to say it again. I'm not happy with the bag chosen for Mother's Day. This is Mother's Day Dooney. We want something spectacular, something vibrant. Any of your hydrangea pieces would have been, I think, a better Mother's Day bag. What do you think? What do you guys think? You agree? Now this is a lovely bag. Again, don't get me wrong. It's fantastic. It's a great bag. Any other month, I'd give it a 10. 10 out of 10. But Dooney does not know how to do a Mother's Day bag. So far, in the 6 years that I have collected the bag of the month, they have disappointed me every year. And this was the first one I did for you guys. At least the color was correct. Orchid, but look at this. Small, tiny bag. So, I don't know what's happening. Dooney, if you need to hire me, I'm here for your marketing, for your displays and everything. I'm here. I can help you. But please do better this. For Mother's Day, we want something more spectacular, more vibrant, more. Just more for our moms. But saying all that, this is the bag of the month, May 2024. I love it. My daughter loves it. I know you will love it. Again, right now, you just have to put in the code MAY to check out. You're going to get it for that $99. It is spectacular. Well worth every penny. And I'm going to rate it because everyone wants me to rate the bags. I'm going to rate this a 10. 10 out of 10. Any other month, 10 out of 10. For Mother's Day, not so much. And that's my opinion. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Did you like the bag of the month for this month? If you have it, I know a lot of my friends here have it. If you tag me and mention me in your videos, I will share it so people can see the other colors. Right now, 5 colors going. If my daughter didn't have it, I would order the red. So the red would be my choice. But since my daughter has it and she didn't want another one, I asked her, we're just going to stick to this one. So thank you for watching, guys. I will link the original unboxing of this. We did unbox it in May of 2022. So it is going on, it's going to be 2 years that she's had it. It looks exactly brand new as the day we took it out of the bag. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bag of the month, guys. May. Have a great Mother's Day. I have a lineup for you guys. Spectacular lineup for you guys for May. So be sure to hit that notifications and subscribe. Mwah.